Hi there everyone, this is Christian Ducci from New York City Smart Builders, and today I want to show you all of my dear customers what's going on here. So the reason why we are cutting out and ripping off this brand new roof installed like 2 months ago is because the previous contractor didn't use the insulation and the ice and water barrier to install this layer of asphalt rubber over it. Besides of that, they didn't do a correct seal installation. That's why they got a lot of bubbles around and the home was almost like a pool inside. As you guys can see, it holds and collects a lot of liters of water between the roof, rubber and the wood frame. By the time what it makes is more expensive repairs because it damages the frame and it damages also the sheetrock inside on the walls. That's why you need to do an installation with an expert and always use the right and proper materials.